Want to make your video editing faster? In this video, I'm going to show you one way the pro use to make the editing faster. What do they use? They use a preset. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I will install a preset or a lot, what have you, to make your editing faster. Let's go. What is a preset? Okay, a preset is a predetermined actions that can help you edit faster. So instead of doing repeated actions, you just make a preset. So one click and you have that actions done for you. That's what the preset is. How to create a preset? Very simple. To make a preset is very simple. Okay. What you do is, let's say you want to do a motion. Okay. So let's go to the title. Okay. Say the motion. Okay, make it clear, bigger, like that. Okay. Now you want to do a animation, and that is your motion. Okay. So for example, you go here to frame and fit. This plus button here. Okay, that's your animation. Okay. Or keyframe. Okay, let me do a quick keyframe like that, right? Then I want this to be somewhere here. Okay, out. Okay, so it's making keyframe, and somewhere here, go across to there, then it come out. Okay, so let me play it. Okay, so motion like that, then it's move out. Very simple. Now to make a preset, okay, go to this plus sign, boom. Okay, so this motion is what I call cross drag. Okay, so the text is dragging along, okay, it's going across, okay, so cross drag, okay, something like that, up to you. Okay, then you press on the plus sign, boom, motion cross, okay, that is a preset, okay. So give you another example. So create another text box, cross drag, done, give it a name, okay. Now I just need to go to my motion, and there's a preset. You have to press on the star, so that's your motion cross drag. I tap on that, and it's done. Okay, let me play and show you the same thing. So it's cross drag across like that, one press. Okay, instead of me to go back in and redo the motion, now I just need to press on that button, go to my user preset, which is the star up here. Okay, star up here. Then you know what to do. Okay, one button, and it's done. Okay, so you can create as many as you want the preset. In our case, we just do a motion preset, and you can do many more with your lot that you want. Okay, the look that you want. But the best way is what? To use other people resources, use other people preset. Installing other people preset is fairly easy, but there's a procedure you have to go through. I'm going to show you that now. Okay, so you need to go to your iPad. Okay, the file on your iPad. Make sure you know where you are locating the preset. Okay, so let me go do this example for you as well. So I have the Gumroad products right here, right? There you go. I have all this motion right here, right? Okay, I have 10, okay, to play with. Okay, I'm gonna copy all. Okay, so I have 10. Now I'm gonna move this to my iPad and go to the Lumafusion library. Okay, Lumafusion. Go to preset right here. Preset. Since this is a motion part, right? So right now, I have one right here called motion drag, cross drag. Okay, motion. Okay, which we made before. It's grayed out, but we can copy this and put it in here. The one I just copied and put in here. Okay, let me do that. Let's go back to our preset. Now we have 11 items. Okay, all these are in our preset. Okay, cool. Now let's go back to Lumafusion and let's see if it works or not. Okay, so let me go back, double tap this one to see, to go back to the fit. Okay, drag across, go to the star, drag. Okay, see this one? Does not seem to work. Before it worked, somehow the new version does not work. Okay, so basically I have all this preset, but it doesn't work. Okay, something glitched in the system, but that's how you install it. If you install properly, it should work. Okay, but somehow there's a glitch in the system, but that's how you install any preset. Okay, so you have a lot similar process. Wherever you get it from, you go to the preset. Okay, and you install it there. Okay, so transition, okay, title, image, audio, lot. Okay, there's a few user lot right here. Okay, you can install in there and it should work. Okay, it should work, but somehow it didn't work this time. I think they are in the process of fixing that. I think there's people that raising this question to Lumafusion already, so they should fix it soon. But that's how roughly you can install. Okay, make sure you install in the right era. A lot, you install in a lot. Okay, you copy into a lot. Now, since this is a preset, you have to adapt. You have to adapt to whatever you're editing at the time. It's a preset. It's not a set. Okay, so don't confuse. Okay, preset and set. Preset is somebody. Okay, ingredients, formula. A set is what? You have to tweak it to your need. From your set, you create your own post set. Then now that becomes your preset. Get it? Confuse you? I think so. Go back, rewind it, and you understand. Now get it? Get my preset. Install it and see what happened. Okay, I've done the hard work for you. The link down in the description down below, and you can get my preset and play with it. It took me hours just to think of all this motion. Okay, but you can be very creative. Okay, the point is to make you become creative, make your editing faster. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Get my preset. Okay, it's free. Okay, my name is Trevor. Ciao on TimelapseNuts. I'll see you next time with another video. Okay, bye.